because he thought I would find someone better than him. He thought I didn't like him anymore. Whoa, does Robert like me, or is he just looking for a date? He likes you. Would you go out with him? I didn't know that. I hope he's not taking this wrong, that I'm going out with him. I don't know if I'll go out with him. I don't know him that well. He seems pretty sweet. Yeah, he is. He doesn't think you like him, so I don't think he's going to ask you out. Maybe I will once I know him better. You know? Yeah. I understand. I mean, I did date him for 7 months. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. How did it go? Like, just in case. It wasn't bad. He is really nice and loves holidays, especially Valentine's Day. LOL. Oh, that's so cute. We were talking about how stuff makes us feel happy and how we both like country last night. So, how are you and Max? Why don't you talk about that? That sounds terrible. That's cool. We are fine, I hope. He always tells me about how he regrets taking a break. He's just different since we got back together. Good or bad? Not sure, actually. He's nicer, but we are a bit afraid of taking, and then that's crossed out, getting her again. New piece of paper. That really bothers me because I have no idea what that's supposed to mean. Getting her.